Hello everybody, today I'm going to introduce is how to do backup and restore. First of all, right, I will say that please set your system in a way that when you exit, right, they will pop up the message to remind you to do the backup first. So how to do the setting is go to setup, preference, and security, and from here you can see prompt for data backup when closing. Just click it, click OK, and when you do file, exit, they'll pop up. Do you want to do the backup? Just click yes. Please remember tick backup all data, because if you tick this backup company file only, right, it means that only backup the company file, which is the .myo. And if you got do customization on your forms, which means your invoice, DO, templates, payment voucher, it won't do the backup. So when you restore back, you realize, oh, where is all my forms? So you will take this backup all data and check company file errors just in case for errors, but it takes time, as I said, when the file is getting bigger. Continue. Okay, no errors files. And backup to where? Please remember, backup to your external hard disk. Don't put it into your the same computer. You can put it into Dropbox also can, Google Drive also can, OneDrive also can, but not your particular computer. Because if let's say your computer corrupted, then where are you going to retrieve? So that's the purpose for backup. PRM stands for premium. 1120 is basically the date and the month. So if you let's say got more than one company, I would prefer your key in your company name before that. Maybe now it's Clearwater, it's Clearwater at here. So Clearwater Premium November 20th. Okay, then click save. It will become a zip file. Okay. So wait for a while and just for a while. Okay, it's done. So the next step is go to, if you want to retrieve, right, just open up your particular zip file, double click it, in order to unzip it. So this is your .myo file. You can just straight drag into, maybe you want to put in the desktop, just drag into it. And this is your forms. Just copy the forms, everything, right click, copy, and go to your this PC, local DC, and go to whatever your version, and then under forms and paste it. That's all for restore back your data file and the forms. The form, remember, paste it inside, and normally let's say now is version 24 or 27 or 28, you just select back ABSS premium version, blah blah blah, go inside and the forms. That's all. Thank you.